Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on Spendee. To change your display language setting on your Spendee application is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Spendee application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll down and tap on Advanced. Now choose the language option. Select the language of your choice from the options given and you will be able to change your language for Spendee. This will then quick reset your application and you will be able to change to a different language settings of your choice. So that's how you can easily change your language on Spendee. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.